Oh, bro. It's raining. Oh, the car got fucked up. Oh, snap. Oh, where's Flapjack at? It's raining cats and dogs, bro.
It's raining men.
Raining men, hallelujah, it's raining men.
Oh, damn. He moonwalks over here.
What's up, my boy? Let's get over here, bro. I was like Spider-Man. He went off to the side.
James Bond.
I got my little back, man. A little bit, you know.
A few moments later.
The race from the bottom, the orange, it connects right there. Okay. You see it? Yeah. And then I'll connect everything together.
Can you do something for me? Can you hit a little for me? Can you do something for me? Drop some bars to my pussy ex for me. Can you do something for me? Can you do your thing? Do your thing. Do your thing. Do your thing.
Got him in the shitter. Hey, John. Hey, got him.
I'm from Memphis, you know what, dog.
Can't go through that.
What the hell?
Can't go through it.
On a mission.
Mission, get some drinks for the shop. Something to drink. Musties. Here? NASCAR? NASCAR? Water? The water? Oh, NASCAR.
We drink Dos Equis.
Oh, no Bud Light, bro. No Modelo. That's the NASCAR right there. Oh, my boy didn't got no cart. Man. Thought it rained again, dog.
Oh, bro, I'm gonna unlock the door.
Yep.
Hold on.
Hey, struggle. Damn.
Alright, time to do donuts!
Come on, dog. Trying to drive 20 miles per hour. Next stop, Rillo's. Can't park no more.
Another plug here. I think somebody's knocking on the other side. You left John on the other side.
What if there was a fire, bro, and I couldn't come out, bro?
Oh shit, it's almost gone. It was ready. A motherfucking rainbow.
Imagination.
That's your boy, dog. You want to follow you? I follow you.